Hey everybody, as you are all aware, if you're watching this video, I have my computer starting so I can randomly select what's coming up. Today is the 13th of February, and as I promised, I am giving away a drum shell today to somebody who commented, to a subscriber, who commented and liked the last video. I don't think there's any way to check who liked the video, so I guess that was probably hollow. And I also said that I would give away one drum, or one shell, and I'd give away a second shell if I hit 1,000 subscribers. I think that was wishful thinking. I didn't get anywhere close to 1,000 subscribers, though I believe from the time that I posted the video, I got something like 100 more subscribers altogether in the last few weeks, so not bad, especially since I haven't posted anything new. But before I get into it, I got a question for you because a lot of you are more experienced woodworkers than I am. I get some of the wood that I use from my parents' farm. They don't really farm it. It's just 100 acres of hillside in eastern Ohio near Pennsylvania. It's Amish country. They're not Amish, but it is Amish country. And they've got wonderful spreads of forest. They've got a huge hardwood forest with all kinds of trees in it, and a pinewood forest. I get oak and maple and walnut and cherry there. Not that I've taken a whole bunch. Oh, and ash. A really pretty couple of ash trees that recently died, and my dad cut down, and we milled some stuff up. But my last visit there, he handed me a chunk of wood that I don't have any idea what it is. This is the top of it. That sort of a rich brown with a little bit of red hue to it. It's very heavy, a lot heavier than cherry. It is not oak. I'm quite sure that it's not oak. It has a smell kind of a cross between cherry and walnut, definitely not maple, and again not oak as far as the smell is concerned. And the bark is gone, so we don't know what the bark looks like. And so I milled up the bottom chunk of it, and this is what it looks like. It has sort of a golden look to it. Really quite pretty stuff. It's getting very, very heavy for its size. Not a clue what it is. If any of you have any idea what it is, I would really appreciate some input on that. Okay, on to the winner. I'm going to a website that randomly selects people from comments and stuff, and I'll find out who the winner of the drum shell is. Alright, there's the website. I'm going to punch in the URL for the video, and it should tell us who wins. Let's take a look. Alright, so I put the URL in there. Okay, 46 unique commenters on this video, so you've got really good odds, relatively speaking. Just imagine if I were a really big YouTube channel. You'd have almost no chance. And then start raffle and pick random winner. Chris Nix. There it is, Chris Nix. If that's you, please private message me on YouTube or go to my Facebook page and private message me there, and let me show you what you've won. You can take your pick of the spalted birch, walnut, and ash, which came from a forest in Michigan. I collected scrap wood on the forest floor. The mystery wood, I have no idea what the stuff is. Very, very hard, very, very heavy. Frankly quite lovely. Remember, this is also the one that is just slightly, barely too wide in the diameter. Or you can have the Movingi 14 by 10. On any three of these, well, I shouldn't say on that. If you want that one, it comes as it is. I'll re-wax it, of course. But if you pick either of these, you are welcome to take them as is. Or with this one, I'll trim down the outside, and if you'd like, I'll cut the channel on the inside, like on this one, so that it is much thinner on the inside with the incorporated reinforcement rings like that. So tell me what you want to do, Chris. I look forward to hearing from you. To everybody else, if for some reason Chris does not come through, so in a week. So Chris, you have 1 week to get back to me. If Chris doesn't get back to me in 1 week, I will choose another winner. So frankly, if you want to go back to the video now, and if you're watching this and you want to add your name to the comments and the likes and the subscribes on the last video in the giveaway, go right ahead. I won't know the difference. Well, I guess I would, but why not? Go ahead and go back. Chris, again, look forward to hearing from you. All right, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, all that kind of stuff. I'll do another giveaway probably when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and that giveaway will also be international. So my international viewers and subscribers, thank you for your patience. I will include you in a giveaway in another, where are we at? Another 480 subscribers. All right, see you guys. Bye.